Ako sa kanangan. But anyways, talagang grabe na confidence, umaapaw talaga. But anyways, napakinggan ko sa Sir, no? sa Sir Ferdinand, right? Ferdinand Abihar. Ang sabi niya, ang wish niya sa'yo is to go globally. Sabi niya, sana purunahan ka na. Well, hindi naman imposible yan. Because as what we've heard, narinig namin sa'yo, ang dami mo nang ginagawa. You even talk to big events to inspire others. But for now, since gusto ni Mr. Abiharon from Eventology na maging global ka at worldwide ka na, isusunod ko na. The OPMB Worldwide of Noli Berrioso!
Hello, Charina. First of all, congratulations and best of luck in your forthcoming international competition. Charina, can you tell us more about this Mrs. Grand Global Ambassador and what motivates and inspires you to accept the challenge in representing the country sa international stage?
Alam niyo po, before din ako finally commit kay Mami Jandy, I asked him about what's this Grand Global Ambassador International Organization is. So may binigay siya sa aking folder. So before I go into something, I want to see its vision, mission, objectives, ano ba yung ginagawa nito. Baka naman magpapakit lang ako doon, sayang naman. Ayaw wala rin yung relevance, di ba po? Hindi naman maganda yung pa-beauty lang. So I think, nung nakita ko po, this Grand Global has really, before national and now global vision, meron siyang mga vision and objectives na hindi lang to celebrate beauty and talents, but the intellect, the purposes, and the advocacies of their queens and kings. Meron po silang ginagawang mga advocacies like humanitarian services also, empowering women, teaching them about entrepreneurship, communication skills, public speaking. They want to develop the personalities of their candidates. And I said, oh, they're aligned with my vision and aligned with what I'm doing, and I'm interested. I'm thinking of not being able to get the crown, but how can I help them in their causes and advocacies? Because I can be one of their speakers. I can be a good also, di ba po, organizer. And this time, it would be global. Kasi hindi lang naman sa Philippines meron na nangangailangan. Of course, marami rin po, lalo na sa Southeast countries. Hindi po ba? So, they're aligned with my values also at the same time. But using this pageant, it would amplify my voice and amplify my platform for the same causes. So that made me love even more and be motivated to join this pageant. Okay. Sorry.
You are a multitasking and a well-driven woman. So how do you juggle your time and schedule as an entrepreneur, a wife, a mom, and now a beauty queen?
Thank you for that. I do a lot of prioritization. You know what, sir? I write down. I have this long-term plan, short-term plan, and day-by-day activities. So when they're already full, talagang binabudget ko po yung oras ko. I don't hesitate to say no, even if I wanted to, based on my priorities. And my priority, of course, syempre, special events of my family and being with them. At kung may mga gagawin, I really make sure that when I say yes to an event, kasama din po sa budgeting ng time, yung preparation eh. I'm a very organized woman. I write down everything. I put things to do every day. I check them. And marunong din, dapat po kasi sinusulat din natin. And most of the time, hindi pag di natin sinusulat, masisira ang schedule nyo eh. Hindi mo magagampanan. Before I get into something, I really want always to give my best and full commitment. So I just say no kung hindi ko po kaya. But when I get into something, I really give my 101% best. With of course, first with the help of my family and support. Kasi pag hindi naman sila approve, mahirap po yun. Dapat approve ng boss ko, ng boss, Jean, at ng parents ko rin. Pag nagsasabi na ako sa parents ko. So time management, and sometimes you know what, sir, I also do SWOT analysis. Paano ko ba sasabihin yun? It's using business. You write down your strengths, your weaknesses, the opportunities around the threats that you have to overcome before I get into something when I make major decision making. Yung ginagawa ko sa negosyo, ginagawa ko po yung sa sarili ko. So, ang basis ko rin po is ano ko mas magkakaroon ng impact sa community, hindi lang din yung sa sarili ko po. So, yun sir. And of course, I'm sorry, I forgot something. I pray for them before I get into something also. And every day, before going to work, before ko hatid ng anak ko sa school, pinagdadasal ko at ino-offer ko po kay God yung ginagawa ko. And with that, I know I have to do my best. So yun, ang motivation ko pa.
Okay, very well said. Just one last question naman. Curious lang ako, no? What distinctive feature and characteristic meron ng mga Palaway niya? Bakit most of you are successful in joining or competing in any pageant? Like we have Janice Lupina, Sam Bernardo, and Angelica Lopez.
And we have also Critical Beauty.
Yeah.
Peter, Palaweños, I think, are naturally warm, friendly, but because you said about pageants, I think it's the dedication that we do in everything, that we give to everything that we do. And because of that dedication and the love and support of our community, of our family, if you can see it, if you happen to visit my Facebook account, makikita niyo po, ako mismo sobrang touched kung paano po yung mga fellow Palaweños ko are sending their love and support actually to this event and to my upcoming pageant. Palaweños are very supportive, very loving, very genuine. Yeah. Taga na ka, Palaweño. That's why siguro when you happen to visit also Palawan, you feel at home. So that's why there's this called comeback syndrome. Pero it's spelled K-A-M-B-A-K. Di ba comeback? Pero from the word comeback. Because once you get to Palawan or Puerto Princesa, meron po kaming spell. You keep coming back. Not because of the places, the beautiful destinations, but because of the people. And siguro yun po yung nararajate ko. Di ba, Peter? Nararajate ko. Napansin mo naturally, I'm happy, cheerful, friendly. Most of the Palaweños are like that. And they easily trust people. That's why minsan naluloko po eh. Kasi madali magtuwala. Joke lang.
Ang galing. Bring home the crown.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Hindi na patatagalin. Dahil kung ako lang magsasabi ngayon, ika-crown ko na to. But since she'll be off for Malaysia pa, we need to know if she really deserves to bring home the crown. And that's why, next in line is the crown Philippines. Jonathan Santos!
Which part of the competition are you most excited about? And can you tell us about the competition? Para sa mga viewers natin na hindi alam kung paano yung format ng competition or what the competition is all about.
Competition is like the traditional competition format. There will be contests for each category, like NAPCOS or National Costume, evening gown, long gown, iba pa yun, no? Evening wear, long gown, casual attire. There will be sports attire. Hindi ko ako magsiswimsuit kasi may resorts wear. We're allowed to wear cape and sexy inside. And it's indoor, preliminary siya. And there will be question and answer portion, talent portion also. What else? There will be activities like we're going around Kota, Kinabalu, and we'll be visiting po, we'll be going to charity events also. We'll be visiting a home of nuns. There also, ang mga sisters natin. What else? And there will be competition for each category, like for Gister and Mrs. then, merong team, merong for kids. But si Mami Jandy, ako lang yung dala. Kasi at the same time, I'll be also competing with all the candidates from all the categories. There will be an ultimate winner also for that pageant. So there will be 2 crowns na paglalabanan. The Mrs. Grand Global crown and the ultimate winner for the general, for the whole pageant itself. So yun po. And I'm most excited about all the categories where I will have to walk and do my pasarela. Kasi I'm excited sa damit na susuotin ko, nagawa ni Mami Jandy. Sobrang gaganda. I-chismis ko lang yung aking gown. Nasa 10,000, ilan ba Mami? 10,000 stones. Na isa-isang ilagay para sa gown na yun. Ayaw niya ipakita. Pinicturean na lang yung portion. Ayaw niya ipakita pa sa akin yung buong gown dahil sobrang gusto niya maging suspense. So yun po. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Talagang details, no? Thank you so much. It was from the Crown Philippines. Ngayon, ma'am, sa dami ng talk kanina, we are 80% down to your, getting to know more. Isa na 80% na siguro. The 20% will be done na siguro sa Malaysia na. But anyways, the 80% will be filled in now. Kasi sabi na kanina, gusto rin kitang kurunahan eh. But you're not the rightful to give you the crown. This time, since you have talked so much, we know you better as we get into the hall kanina. Wow, na-amaze kami sa ganda mo. Ang substance pala, ang bigat. Kung, ilan yun? 10,000? 10,000 yung batong ilalagay mo, idarna ka na niya. Sobrang darna ka na niya, no? So 10,000 ang bato, sobrang bigat na. And now, we would like to know more how deep, how deep is your inspiration, your passion to bring home the crown. We need to give you the next media partner to give you better talks about how can you be the next crown bringer for the Philippines. The pageant talk. Maraming talks, no? The pageant talk, I would like to give you Mr. Anton Fidel.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
So, congratulations, Miss Sharina. Alright, so, can you share us kung ano yung pinaka-challenging part ng journey mo sa pag-prepare dito sa pageant?
Most challenging part is juggling my schedule. Kasi po, hindi ko binitawan yung pagiging hands-on ko kay Gerard. Even during the time that I'm preparing for this pageant. Gerard just finished grade 5 with an award of academic excellence. Grabing taas ng average niya. So ako po yung nag-tutor sa kanya. Naniwala kayo magpapasara na training kami, gabi na po uwi. There was a time na gawain kami ng driver. So every day, gigising ako ng super aga, ako pang maghatid at magsusundo sa kanya. So at the same time sa gabi, tutulungan ko siya kumisan kasi preparation niya and all sa school. Pero most of the time, independent naman na siya, kaya niya na. So I still have to also manage my time kasi may asawa pa ako na meron din akong obligasyon. So, sabi ko, hindi pwedeng hindi pagka-husband, di ba? So she never noticed na I was so busy and toxic and all kasi pagkakaharap niya na ako. I'm cheerful pa rin. Gusto niyang pumunta sa ganito. Pagka kailangan nilod kayo movie, note pa naman ng movie. Katulad kahapon, I was preparing na for this press con during the past few days kasi in-enroll ko si Gerard sa acting workshop. And one condition na sasali siya, kailangan mag-enroll din ako. So alam niyo ba ang ginagawa ko ng past few days? I was memorizing our script kasi nag-acting kami kahapon at nung Saturday. So sabi ko kay Mami Jan, ano ba yung pinagandaan ko yung acting namin? Hindi ako nakapag-review, di ba? Siyempre you're gonna ask me question. video. And ang deadline is June 6. So kahapon, from the acting workshop, may dala na akong damit and all. Ano po kasi ako, long term ako mag-isip, nagdala na ako ng mga damit. Nagdala ako ng makeup. Kasi sabi ko, sa Quezon City, malapit siya sa Intramuros, sa Luneta, malapit siya sa mga destinations. So, una kami pumunta sa mga National Museum, yung kasama namin, si Ate Jana. Siya yung nag-video sa akin, mag-DIY ako ng tourism video at ako na rin po ang mag-edit. Sabi kay Mami, huwag ka ng problema. Ako na ang gagawa ng tourism video natin. So, ayun po. Ang kailangan lang talaga doon, time management, preparation, and kahit anong pagod ko talagang si Gerald bagsak kahapon knockout siya. Ako, nagsimba pa rin ako. It's the best preparation, I told myself, for this event. Magsisimba ako kasi I know God and my guardian angel are gonna guide me through. Yun lang ang kailangan ko. Kasama kayo. Yun po.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So you mentioned
She brought home the crown. And she's from the East, Rizal. And I'm so proud of her. And I was able to meet this. Wow! Pag pumunta ka sa Facebook, wala na akong makikita pag iba din. Nakakainis. Ang daming, sa dami-dami din, palagi ko siya makikita. Hindi mo pwedeng dadaanan siya. Kasi I was able to meet her personally at sobrang galing-galing niya. Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, I'm so proud to present to you to culminate our Q&A. Iwan ko lang kung daming tatanong to. Miss Eds Tinoya from Pageant 2021!
So, my first question, magkano mo ba ang savings? Joke lang po. Practice tayo na kunyari nasa passion na talaga tayo. Kasi kanina parang hahaba-haba na sagot. So, let's try naman na siguro kahit mga 45 seconds or 1 minute lang na answer. Para at least ma-train na rin tayo sa ating final Q&A sa Malaysia. My first question, what's your favorite beauty queen? You may answer that in 1 minute.
My favorite beauty queen is Catriona Gray. She's an epitome of not only beauty, but of purpose. And she's got so much wisdom that she's sharing to the world. With a beauty queen like her, with a heart and not only intelligence and beauty, then women like her will really be like jewels who make a big difference for the betterment of this world.
Ay, sakto! Dali, pasok sa timer. Ganun. And my last question, there are a lot of pageants ngayon po, this June. We have national pageant like Pilipinas and other international events sa pageant. So, why pageant fans should also kami po mga pageant leader and also pageant fans, pageant community. Why should we also give focus sa journey mo, Ms. Janina, dito sa Grand Global Ambassador? So why pageant fans should also give attention to Grand Global Ambassador pageant international?
Because this pageant is not just another pageant. This is socially and globally relevant. It gives more relevance to pageants, not only on the category of Miss or Mrs., but in all categories. So it encompasses all ages, status, and backgrounds with different cultures and different nationalities that they want to promote with international understanding, with unity, despite the diversity and differences. They're promoting inclusivity, they're promoting harmony among the joining nations for this pageant. And it's really globally relevant because they are also, their visions and missions are aligned with causes that help the underprivileged and unfortunate communities.
Ang gusto naman, timing niya naman. Super galing. Thank you so much. And kahawig niyo po yung batang Helen Gamboa. Oo. Helen Gamboa. Siya po yung younger niya. First maganda siya. And may last question ata si Yeah. Thank you so much po. Mananalo ka, promise.
Salamat po. Sir, as I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Alam ko, kayo po yung nag-coordinate sa mga minamahal natin kasama ngayon. Really highly appreciated. I'm so honored as Miss Grand Global that because you gave us time. Alam ko busy kayo and you're all very special and look, very respected, diba, people. And thank you for gracing this event. This is really memorable. Salamat po.
And kumikita pa tayo sa victory party, right, Jackie? Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Okay? Very, very, very well said talaga. But before that, guys, sandali lang. Gusto niyo ba ng sample? Di ba nag-sample na ng talent si Mrs. Global natin, Philippines? Would you like to see how the good and the expert? Kasalaman natin si Coach JD Dahan. Nandiyan ba si Coach? Oh, you are si Coach JD. Yeah. Thank you so much, Coach. And of course, Mark Raymond Martinez is here. Mark? Thank you so much, Mark. And now, Coach, nakita na yung pasample mong kanta kasi kakanta pa si Ma'am ulit yung isa. No? Ma'am, pasample na ng pasarela. Okay lang ba? Ladies and gentlemen, pasarela sample daw, ma'am. Okay lang? Okay lang yan, ma'am. Okay? Rick, sandali po. Tatawag na lang po ako mamaya. Okay? Tawag kita. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present to you the Philippines official ambassador for the 2025 Mrs. Grand Global Ambassador in Malaysia. Please welcome Miss Philippines, Sharina Hoson. This is the day that marks the precious moment that soon you'll be bringing home. Is this the first Grand Global Ambassador crown that the Philippines could bring soon?
Yeah, Mrs. Grand Global.
Mrs. Grand Global Ambassador. Kaya ngayon, i-manifest na natin. Ganun sinabi ni Mr. Buyabonda. You are Miss Sharina Hoson and you are...
the Mrs. Grand Global Ambassador International 2025 Universe.
Okay, dire-diretso. 1, 2, 3. You are
the Mrs. Grand Global Ambassador International 2025.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have to manifest that. And no doubt, with all the talks, with all the opinions, with all your stories po, sobrang inspired and we are really connecting with you.
Thank you.
And with that, we would like to hear from you kasi sabi nila marami ka nang masasabi natin throughout your journey. Pasalamat ka ng message.
Oh, this day is like a mark in the history of my life, which will I treasure for a lifetime. The first press conference before my send-off, before we go to fly to Malaysia, and from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you all, your presence, your support. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. First to my family, to my husband Jean, to my son Gerard, and my Alala is there, was always there with me, Jana and Jovan. Of course, my mommy Jandy, the National Director of Young Global Ambassador International. We almost talk every night regarding the preparation of the stuff, and we're actually enjoying what we're doing, and we're so excited for the pageant. Maraming salamat sa Jandy. Yes. At syempre, ang aking pasarela trainer and Q&A trainer din. JL Dahan, maraming salamat. Wala man sa, yung pagkakasunod. My makeup artist, of course, Eric Del Rosario. Maraming salamat for making me beautiful, inside and out. With Dave, the one who made my hair, with Mark there, kasama. Of course, mga boss ko din po sa aking brand modeling. From Casa de Moda, Sir James Paul. Sir James, yan po si Sir James Paul. Marami po siyang events. And si Sir Allen. Siyempre, the Casa de Moda. And my lagi kong favorite na photographer, Sir Mark Raymond Martinez. Maraming salamat. Kasama ko rin sila sa Malaysia. And of course, Sir Jerome, the Beauty Wise, maraming salamat. Siyempre, si Annie ko, Celio, na wala dito, nagapalawan din po siya. Siya po yung may-ari ng Health and Beauty Republic. So, there are si Jerome, si John, and si Roy. Nakikita niyo po yung picture, ako po yung endorser ng HBR at mga vitamins nila. Ito yung event, supporting us. And of course, I'd like to thank my sister friends. Sobrang tagal ng friendship natin. Lagi nila akong sinusupport. Sila din ang laging special guest sa mga occasions ko. Birthday, at nandiyan sila sister. Sister Cara, Sister Jorfen, Sister Nora, and Sister Eleni. Grabe, ang tagal na namin kakaibigan. At sino pa ba? Naku, wala bang kumutan? Siyempre, isa-isayin ko kayo, pero hindi ko sa ulo, sorry yung mga... But I know every of you, I follow you all. Lagi kong pinapanood yung mga, I get motivation, inspiration, napapalakas yun, at nakakuha ko ng mga ideas sa mga posts ninyo from other queens. And you, as also queens at your own right, for creating such platforms, diba? They are practiced, and para sa community din, lalo na Philippines is a pageant-loving country, diba? Actually, Age of Enlightenment, before nga nagkaroon ng French Revolution, American Revolution, and Philippine Revolution, this time it's pageants that are giving us the wisdom. Kasi diba, marami nang nangyayari mga issues, but pageant people are really helping us also to give us wisdom and ideas, intellectual ideas about the issues going on here in the country and around the world. So you're helping us in many ways, the country. You're helping us through your platforms and your pages. And we thank you so much. Not just a queen, not that you're supporting, but as a normal citizen of the country. So ipagpatuloy niyo po at maraming nagpa-follow at nag-look up sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sharina, Rizal, and finally,
And Sir Jerome,
and
thank you
finally
very much.
now, Mrs. Sharina, ito lang. Can you invite them all to watch at abangan kanila on June 12 to 16 at Sabah, Malaysia?
Oh, yes. Of course, I'm inviting you all to come watch. Of course, hindi kayo pwede sumama lang sa Malaysia. But I guess, Sir Johnny, but there will be live also, live telecast of the pageant in Malaysia. It will be on June 13 and 14. Kasi yung June 12, panay, kami lang yan going around, or there will be destinations or meron kami mga events and activities among the candidates lang. So, June 13 and 14, I'm inviting you all. So, please come and come watch us through Facebook pages. I will post it in my Facebook account and probably share with you all also. So please support and pray for the Philippines. I will do my best to make our country proud, and hopefully I'll bring back the crown to make for you all the Filipino people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very well said, and everyone anticipates your winning. Once again, let us all welcome soon the next Miss Grand Global Ambassador International 2025, Sharina Hoso! Congratulations, ma'am. You did a great job. Wala na, ikaw na talaga. And now, on behalf of our rest of the record, gentlemen, to everyone coming here, of course, to our friends, media partners, and everyone who made this beautiful and remarkable history. The first Philippine, this is going to be a Grand Rapids International this year 2025. This is a great success. Everyone follows the journey. Once again, we did a great job. How to do that? Once again, para